Hello, Candiners. Candina currently open for able seamen to join these Roro vessels under flag of Italian, and this is for European nationalities. And these vessels pay for this AB is 2,850 euro per month with 3 months contract and 3 months on and 2 months off. These vessels is required candidate to have fiscal code and also Italian knowledge. If you didn't have any fiscal code, you can make it easy in your Italian embassy in your countries. You can make it there. And also, if you didn't have any experiences or knowledge about Italian language, you can learn before you are apply to these opportunities. We will share to you the manual book, manual book to learn about this Italian knowledge. Yeah, don't worry, this is for a very basic Italian. You didn't need to have a 100% Italian knowledge or Italian language. You just need to learn about the word to handle the problem, emergencies problem in the ship, and we are already put all of the price and word regarding this emergency need, so you can learn about it, and we will share to you the manual book in this video description. You can click the link, and then you can learn about it for I think 1 week or 2 weeks is is enough to learn about it. And then if you are already comfortable about your language in Italian to handle the problem, emergencies problem in the ship, you can apply to us, and you can find out our link database in this video description also. Okay, that's all, and please like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye bye.